Looking back on my past, I know crack was smoke, this raps was rope. Couldn't laugh, I have hope, just despair. Watching that black smoke floating in the air. Sometimes I remember what it was like when I was there. When I was torn, when I would break down kernels of corn from a corner of a square. Seeing the only person I love shed a tear. Seeing the only person I love in the mirror, what the future holds. Summertime, it felt like it was a few below. So I ain't impressed by how you came dressed to the studio. I ain't impressed by them trinkets, I ain't befuddled by them watches. Now I spent too long fucking up my options, puffing on the toxins. I got 5 on the head, dog. Coat smelling like Black and Mild and a menthol. Consumed by my demons, I'm immune to the treason. Shit is cool, I got a couple wounds that been bleeding. Now my neck frostier, these bad bitches talk me up. Yet I still recall all the horror from the corridor. Scars I can't remedy, trauma to evaluate. Pop copping crack from me, mama trying to calibrate. How to get me right, far from righteous, why I'm like this now. No more baby wipes, not the type to let them wipe me down. On the verge of convict, everyone despondent. I think of a gram, it ain't where you can leave a comment, no. Everyone despondent. I think of a gram, it ain't where you could leave a comment,